Welcome to this course on the compressor bleed valve system. I am Smith and I'm here to guide you through the course. Before we start, let me give you a brief introduction to the Proactive Trip Avoidance Team program, commonly known as PATAT. This program is an effort to help power plant owners prevent costly downtime due to system trips. The objective of the PATAT program is to familiarize you with the best practices in operation, preventive maintenance, and troubleshooting techniques, which reduce unit trips and prevent costly downtime. In this course, you'll learn about the role, location, and functions of the compressor bleed valve system, the associated problem conditions that can lead to trips, and the best practices in preventive maintenance against trips.